Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Zombicide mini. This week it is Brannog. He was primed in Vallejo Grey and I'll start off with Dark Stone for the fur cloak he is wearing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord. There you can hang out and chat as well as share anything you have been hobbying on. I also stream on Twitch on Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next up is the skin using Sunny Skin Tone. For the vest I used Alien Purple. I couldn't work out if this was metal or not, so I went for a non-metallic colour just in case. The small part of his bottoms on show are done with Magic Blue. To get the boots and belts done, I used Dark Flesh Tone. This guy has some very orange hair in the artwork, which I thought looked a little bit too much, so I've toned it down using Fire Lizard. For the fur, I needed to add a little bit more depth to it, so I've gone with a dry brush of Monster Brown. Finishing the fur, I got another dry brush of Banshee Brown. I tried to keep this more focused towards the centre and the very edges of the cloak. Now it is time to start the metal parts. I'll start off with gemstone for the red parts of the hammer, as it looks like this hammer is entirely made of metal. The next metallic is royal purple. This was used for the toe caps and remaining parts of the hammer. For all of the armor parts and some of the details, I went with glorious gold. The last thing before the wash goes on is black for the base. There is only one wash on this mini as I'm still trying to keep them quick and simple. This is flesh wash covering everything. And that will be it for Brannog, a quick and easy dwarf with a lot of gold on him. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord and ask me there. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi page. If you want to help support the stream more than you already are, you can drop a one-off tip on my Ko-fi page to help towards getting better equipment in making these videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.